So today let's prepare restaurant style chicken curry. So to make this, I've taken around 1 kg of chicken which is thoroughly cleaned. So to this you add salt, mix well and set aside for 45 minutes. Now in a pan, add vegetable oil, add whole cashew nuts and lightly roast them for a minute. Then add whole dried red chilies and just fry them for around 2 to 3 minutes. Remove this in a bowl and in the same pan add diced tomatoes and saute for around 5 minutes. Remove the tomatoes also in a bowl and cool it. Add this in a grinder and grind into a smooth paste using water. In a vessel, add oil, add chopped onion and saute for 7 to 8 minutes. Then add ginger garlic paste and saute for 5 minutes. Now add red chilli powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Fry for 2 minutes. Add water as required. Mix and cook the masala for 3 minutes. Add all the chicken pieces in the masala. Mix and cook the chicken by covering the lid. Take off the lid and give a quick stir. Add the ground paste along with the residual water. Mix and cook for 2 minutes with the paste. Add Garam Masala, Kasuri Methi, that is your dried fenugreek leaves. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Finally, check for the salt and add enough salt as per your preference.